Hi, welcome to Mac's house. Today we are adding some shape to this beautiful big chopped hair. This is my friend Shauna, and I am so excited to be cutting her hair. Actually, we big chopped together. Unfortunately, I didn't record it. I wish that I would have. She transitioned for a year or in some months, I want to say, and we big chopped his hair. It's kind of been growing out since then, and it's full, it's thick, it's beautiful, it's healthy hair, and we're just adding a little style to it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to see more videos from me and similar to this, along with thumbs up if you like it. Tell me what you guys think. Did you style your big chop hair when you went natural? Leave it in the comments below. Also, make sure you check out my giveaway video. I have a giveaway going on right now. Some great products, definitely for free. Have 3 winners, so make sure you check out that video. I'll link it to the end of this video. So I love how her hair came out. It's been a couple of weeks since this, and like I went over by her house and like she had just woke up and she took her bonnet off or whatever, and I was like, oh, it's so cute. Like I was just in love. It just was so cute because she already has like this gorgeous texture and it's just so full and thick. So adding this little style to it gave it some punk and some edge, and oh yes, I'm just loving it. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that like button at the bottom and subscribe. Until next time.